Hello everybody and welcome back to another video with the Genie, and as you may have noticed, for today's episode we are doing a little switcheroo because the Genie was sitting here doing some technical analysis and I've noticed some very interesting correlations with some of the altcoins which I just felt I had to show you, because right now a lot of the alts are screaming moon and some of the charts are looking extremely bullish. So what I wanted to do for today's episode is show you the current perspective that the Genie has upon the charts with regards to where I see the crypto market heading in this hot month that is July. So without further ado, I'm just going to run through a few of the coins, give you my perspective and show you how I see this correlation unfolding. The market is looking extremely bullish. Now, as you can see, starting with the crypto total market cap excluding BTC, you can see right here throughout this year we have absolutely exploded up. The liquidity has come into the market. Now what we have done recently is we come back down and we come to pick up some more liquidity. We fell back into this region right here, we've bounced and then we've fallen again, and it's looking like there is a slight deviation going on right here whereby we're picking up them final stops before we then continue our ascension, our next leg in this bull market. Now why do I say that? Because all the other altcoins are looking the same, starting with the king, with the chosen one, which is XRP. As you can see, after its explosion throughout the month of April and May, we've kind of consolidated, we've fallen back down, and again we've fallen back onto this trend line here, and we have hit and we have bounced, and now we're lining up looking ready to absolutely explode through another stratosphere. Now remember my friends, this is just my perspective. It doesn't necessarily mean it's going to play out exactly as I see, but I just want to show you the way in which my eye is currently seeing the market. Now it's also interesting to note that XRP hasn't actually moved yet, and as we know from past, XRP always moves last. Now why do I say that? Because this week we have seen a huge explosion of liquidity into the XDC market, and we have had one of the most bullish weeks in this market to date, and you can see we've actually closed above this key line, this key area here, which means that this has now flipped from resistance to support, which is allowing us to move to new highs potentially for this coin. Now if XDC has done this, then XRP definitely has the potential off of this trend line bounce. Now moving on to QNT, this is another hot coin in the market right now. You can see there was this huge accumulation phase right here. What we did is we come out, we broke, we came back down, we retested, we deviated, we come back up, and now it seems like we are regaining our strength, ready for the next ascension up. Now we could consolidate for slightly longer, but considering XDC has just had its explosion and XRP looks ready to go and the whole market looks like it's ready to explode, it is definitely one to keep an eye on. Now ALBT, another absolute gem of a coin to keep on your watch list. You can see we have broken out of this current downtrend, we have burst through with a little bit of liquidity, and it is looking like it is ready to continue to new highs. Now if we continue up and we break these regions here, it could potentially absolutely explode, because this coin, as you can see, is so early in its development. This is an absolute gem that you certainly want to keep your eye on. Now ALGO, another coin which has received a lot of limelight recently, which is obviously bullish for the coin itself and another great project for the crypto space as a whole. And again, you can see right here we have exploded up, we have consolidated just a little bit here, and now we're resting on this support region right here. We come up, we tested, and it was resistance. Now it's flipped support, looking like it's ready to absolutely explode. Moving on to MATIC, the same thing. We have come up, we have exploded through, we have now come back into a consolidation region. We are just picking up the orders and ready to rise up. Now very interesting, I'm bringing you over to BTC because BTC is the only coin which doesn't look bullish. You can see right here we have had a steep drop down, and it's just looking like we could almost come down and test into these regions around 12,000 right here. Now obviously if BTC drops, it could mean that it could affect the alts, but if we review the 2017 price action, you will remember that BTC was on its way down when the alts had their spike up. So could we see a repeat of 2017, but on an even more ginormous scale? It could definitely be a possibility, as the utility is now forming. And if you've seen all of my previous videos, you will know that XRP, XDC, ALGO, and all these other coins have created the foundation for this new financial system, and it is ready to go live. Now a few other coins which I'm looking at, Tailcoin, definitely one to keep an eye on. Again, you can see we've come up again, just accumulating in this area here, ready for our next expansion. CSC has been making some huge moves in the market. It is a sleeping giant, that is for sure. And finally, DAG Constellation, another one which is broken up, as you can see, and now we're sitting on this support region here. And finally, a hidden gem, SHX, has so much room to absolutely explode, and we are just resting on this region right here, right now, and who knows what could come next for this coin. But my friends, I'm gonna wrap it up there. I hope you enjoyed this new style video which I have brought to you. Obviously it is very different from all of my previous videos, so if you have enjoyed it, make sure to smash that like button down below. I may just do them randomly here, there and everywhere, but if you did enjoy this style video, I would love to know what you thought about it down below in the comments. So please leave any comments or suggestions you have on the video as such, or even any videos that you want to see coming in the future. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for way more content just like this to come, and come over to my channel and check out every previous video that I have on here, because it is going to massively help you understand why I foresee the crypto market with the potential to absolutely explode into another stratosphere. But my friends, I'm going to start to bring it to a close. Make sure you head over to my Twitter at reborn13 with a 0 and drop me a follow on there. Head over to my Instagram at reborn13 with a 0 and drop me a follow on there. And obviously join my Telegram, Genie Reborn, because I'm always posting loads more content in there. But I'm going to wrap it up there. I'm going to bring it to a close. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all soon.